Hello and welcome to this IFS YouTube video. My name is Fredrik Johansson and I work as a Senior Program Manager at IFS R&D Supply Chain. In this video I will show you a new feature called Packing Proposal. This feature is about getting a generated proposal of how mixed parts should be picked and packed into different shipment handling units. The benefit with this solution is that handling units are utilized better, which will lower the transportation costs. Furthermore, the warehouse efficiency will increase due to automation and reduced travel time. You can also use parallel picking approaches, which is best suited for the different situations. And in addition to that, it's possible to meet customer requirements regarding packing, for example, which handling unit types to use and how they want orders to be mixed. So let us start the demo. This is a shipment created to deliver a custom order with a couple of lines. I have prepared the shipment, it's already reserved and the pick lists are created. Here the new field called Packing Proposal is added, and this can be defaulted via the shipment type or manually entered. Let us have a look at the basic data for the packing proposal. Here you can configure the rules to use in the packing proposal. For instance, you can define which handling unit types to use. You can define which packing methods to use, the sorting order to use in the packing. This can be configured to meet the goals you have in your operation. So let's go to the shipment handling unit structure. Here you can see that no shipment handling units are created so far. So now let us run a packing proposal manually. Now you can see that some of the parts and quantities are packed according to the packing proposal, but still two lines are not completely packed. That is because we have parallel picking approaches. Fancy No Pack is categorized as a bulky part and will need some special packing. For Fancy 4, only 3 out of 23 pieces are packed, and that is because we store it in 10 packs in inventory, and multiples of 10 pack we pick straight from the bulk area without any repacking. For the parts and quantities considered in the packing proposal, 3 shipment handling units are created. To simplify the example, the parts have the same volume. The algorithm tries to use and utilize as few handling units as possible. We get one large handling unit fitting 9 pieces. Then we get another large handling unit fitting 6 plus 3 pieces, 9 in total. And finally, the remaining 2 pieces fits into a small handling unit. So let's go back to the shipment and proceed with the process. Next step is pick reporting. Multiple pick lists are created corresponding to each picking approach. Let us focus on how to proceed with the pick list containing the handling units created by the packing proposal. Here you can see the proposed packing proposal in a new tab. Next step will be to physically label one of these handling units, print the packing list for the handling unit, and start the physical picking and packing in the warehouse. Either you travel through the warehouse between different picking locations, or you use a conveyor belt where the handling unit travels between different picking stations. Once the picking and packing is done, the handling unit can be pick reported as proposed either here or via the scanning solution. In this demo, I will do this in the scanning solution. So imagine that I'm done with the first handling unit, then I scan it here to simply report it picked and packed as proposed. So let's go back to the pick list. Now you can see that the first handling unit is picked. If you want to, you can proceed with the remaining handling units and the other pick lists. But I will not do this in this short video. And of course, when everything is picked, you can proceed with the shipment process until deliver. I hope you have a better picture of this new feature called Packing Proposal and how it can be used in the shipment process to achieve lower transportation costs, more efficient warehouse operation, and happier customers by meeting their requirements regarding packing. With that said, thank you for watching and please subscribe to IFS YouTube channel.